As you can see, I don't really have a tennis racket. I have a spider. This is how we take hot food out of boiling water. The one thing I learned about carbonara is you have to have a nice little kick of black pepper in this dish.
We don't cook, I don't cook, but we're real good with the menus. Excellent menus, takeout. We're very supportive of the restaurants.
Billie Jean, you ever seen one of these? It's a whisk. Mix up the eggs with it.
I know.
Doesn't that? Do you have anything in the kitchen?
I don't even know what it is. Yes. This is actually, I love
So you
watching
whisk
it.
your eggs. We're going to dump a little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano.
You put the olive oil in the water?
No, I don't. Because olive oil and water don't mix. It's getting nice and creamy. See, the heat of the pasta is actually cooking the egg. This is it, guys. This is it. That's all you need. I would say no on the frozen peas. I don't understand where that came from. This is not a classic dish.
Sorry.
This is another one of those. This is another one of those faults outside the line. Fault.
Because they get so excited. They go, die, Billie, and they lift you up after you win, and they throw pills on the court. I loved it.
The only thing I know about pickles, they go really good with the BLT, and it's on the side, right in the diner. That's how I take my pickles. I don't know what you're talking
You go to
about.
the diner, get me the pickle. Or a deli, or you go to the deli, get me a pickle.
I wish we were together, Billie Jean, because I would love for you to try this. Because this
Looks
is definitely one of those
fantastic.
dishes you cannot do takeout because it sets up really quickly. Put a little more Parmigiano on top. Wipe the plate, and this right here with a glass of red wine is what you need to have a beautiful evening.